was he more hustling harder than the tape rooms?
True story.
Yeah?
True story. Yeah.
So how did it go?
When I was 12, he was 11. Third brother is not here right now, but he was 10. So I actually started through cereal boxes, reselling cereal boxes in school. I used to buy them from random supermarkets, take them to school, sell them to my friends.
Actually, a great example by the two individuals that are sitting there with Andrew Tate. So basically, to make it short, what is a business? Donald Trump wrote a book back in the 90s or 2000s about basically the title was Only If the Outcome is Income, right? So a business is two things, not, oh, it's stock. It's cash in versus cash out, right? So an example of something I used to do when I was younger, you know, I wanted to buy, let's say, expensive Power Ranger or a video game, and I didn't want my parents to pay for it, right? I would amass about $7, $8, right? Whether it's chores or whatever. Go to a store, buy a multi-pack of candy. They, at the time, in the early 2000s, it'd be about $6.99. Now, God knows what it is with inflation, right? So let's say in general, it was about 12, 15 candy bars in there, whatever. So let's say 12. Take $7, right? Obviously something with tax. And you're going to divide it by 12, right? Don't be an idiot and do 12 into 7, because that's going to give you like $2 or whatever. And that's wrong. Only an idiot would do that. It's 58 extended, right? 5833, etc., right? It's 58. So at the minimum, if you take into the factor that most bodegas throughout the years would sell one Hershey bar for $1. That means even if I sell it at $1 a piece, I'm making a minimum of 42 cents per purchase, right? So those 42 cents, right, that I'm making on the extra, right? So I just turned $7 into $12. So I made $5 profit, right? I go again, I take those $12. I go ahead and I buy another and I do it again. Once I have more money, right, then I can go ahead and I can buy 2 boxes, buy 3 boxes. Because that way I have stock, but I already have money. And yet again, you could always say, why charge $1? Why not charge $1.25, $35, $40, etc.? That's just more money that somebody gives me that gives me the ability to buy more stock to then at the end get more money. Income must be greater than outcome. Thank you. Subscribe for more. As always, J-Man the Beast. Keep smiling. Keep gaming. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.